Of the age of 12, people will have the ability to conceive, but in East Asian societies, sexual impulses are suppressed. Living in the still jungle, they are often only allowed to date after reaching adulthood, which is 18 years old, the normal age for marriage and children birth has been significantly postponed. Modern East Asian cities have become big palaces. What is the palace? The emperor's residence, where most of people are eunuchs and palace maids. Often a eunuch and a palace maid each eat together at the same table, which is called pairing food. Isn't modern love a new type of food pairing relationship? Not for the purpose of reproduction, for the purpose of pleasure. The palace maids all hoped to be favored by the emperor, and the eunuchs were also castrated. Palace maids favored by the emperor can naturally become concubines, but not every concubine is fortunate enough to have children.